Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Empties video and I'm going to go through these items kind of quick unless it's an item that I haven't talked about before. Well, I have some Parent Choice Fresh Scent wipes and some Fisher Price wipes. These are a bit thin, but you do get 72 of these for hands and face wiping. These are perfect. I do prefer these Parent Choice though ones because they are thicker and quilted and I like the scent on those. Just some cotton swabs from the Dollar General. They were good. They did what they're supposed to. I did pick up this Wet and Dry Detangling hairbrush from Shop Miss A, and this thing was great, and it was only $1, so I just wanted to say you can get wet dry brushes from Cala on shopmissa.com for only $1, and they are full-size brushes. I have 3 hand sanitizers, so I have 2 of these Extra Care that came from the DollarTree, 70% alcohol, and they have aloe in them as well. And they're hand sanitizers. Once again, they do what they're supposed to do. And this one is a coconut and aloe one. It smells amazing. It's just a little mini for your purse. And I found these at Walmart and would definitely repurchase them if I found them again. Kid items. We went through one of these Suave Kids Detangler, very awesome spray. This is great for getting tangles out. Sometimes I use it in my hair. It smells great, works great. The Equate Kids 3-in-1 Very Berry Shampoo, Conditioner, Body Wash. Only use this for body wash. And if you like the scent of blueberry, you'll probably really like it. And the Kids Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste. It is what it is. It was good and it did what it was supposed to. The Suave Daily 2-in-1 Plus. This is a shampoo and conditioner from Suave, and it's 28 fluid ounces, so it's the large bottle. This stuff is great. I've used this since high school on and off. I love the scent of this, and I love that it's a 2-in-1. I do an additional conditioning step when I do use this, but overall, I get your hair clean. The Suave Keratin Infused Shampoo and Conditioner, and these were good. These are 15 fluid ounces. This is cruelty free as well. And these are on the pricier side of Suave at, I believe, $3 a bottle. A good job at cleaning my hair and conditioning, and the scent was okay as well. A Secret Deodorant. This is my all-time favorite deodorant. It works and lasts all day long, and it's in Powder Fresh, and I'll continue to repurchase that. I love the Secret Deodorant. The Assured brand 6-blade razors. I really enjoy these. They give a nice close shave without nicks and cuts. At least that's my experience. I also use the VO5 Key Lime Squeeze Conditioner to shave with. I'll use any of these VO5 White Rain kind of conditioners for shaving, and it gives you an extremely close shave, very moisturizing, and you can kind of dry shave using this method. No water needed, just the conditioner and your razor, and it works amazing. I've been doing it for years. Definitely recommend trying it if you haven't already. The Bolero Body Souffle. I do have a little bit in here. I don't like the scent anymore. See, it's almost completely gone. There's probably a couple uses left in there, but this is a 5 fluid ounce little jar, and it's kind of a thicker cream, body cream, and it's just it says it's an after shower cream, and this was in peonies and pear. It was just okay. Like, I like these, but I just didn't like the scent of this one anymore. But I would repurchase other scents, like maybe a coconut one or something like that. And the Bolero Bath Soak in the coconut oil and sea salt, and this is a 9.8 ounce container. I love these little containers. They often have these in a lot of different little scents when they do like scent launches, and I like these. I will continue to purchase the Bath Soak from Bolero. Also used up the Bodycology Picnic Breeze, the 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath, and I've not used this for bubble bath, but body wash, I think it's a thick and creamy and moisturizing. The scent does linger, and for $4 it is definitely comparable to Bath & Body Works with their scent selection and just overall performance, and it's cheaper. Always love their packaging as well. And also from Bodycology, at Christmas they had these $3 sets that had mini 1 ounce sprays, body washes, and lotions. So I picked up the Mocha Latte, and this is the 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. And I thought the scent was going to be much better on this one, stronger. It was mocha, but I wasn't so much thrilled that I would go and purchase a large bottle of these, but they perform just like the bigger bottles. And body wash, fine. And the spray, that was fine. And the body cream as well, always thick and creamy, nice moisturizing cream. I love their body creams. And I will continue to purchase all 3 of these items, but in different scents, because Bodycology is pretty awesome. I also have this Jergens Nourishing Honey 24-hour moisturizer. This is 16.8 fluid ounces, and this is honey and orange blossom essence. This was amazing. Absolutely loved it. Will definitely repurchase this in this scent and other scents. This Jergens lotion is fantastic. Highly recommend checking this out. Thick moisturizing. The scent was amazing. Loved everything about it. And then last but not least, I have some April Bath & Showers hand creams. So I have cranberry and cinnamon. The cranberry one, these are 1 fluid ounce containers. These are hand creams, so they're thicker than lotions, but they're not super thick. They do absorb nicely into the skin and kind of quickly. This one was a nice like fruity scent, or this one is vanilla and cinnamon. I didn't really smell much cinnamon, but vanilla nonetheless, so a nice vanilla scent. And I used all of these. So that was my empties for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more empties videos.